What's going on, guys? Steve Larcher back again on the Madden 16 Ultimate Team. And as you can see, we have 285,000 coins. And like I said, I'm going to bring you guys a big pack opening. I just calculated all this. We're opening 38 Pro Packs. So yeah, hoping to get the new content. Okay, we got a 2 gold pack there. So if you look at it this way, this is about $50 worth of Pro Packs, honestly. Because 2 15s are 20 apiece. I should be saving these for tomorrow for the Ultimate Legends, but I feel like there's no way I'm gonna pull them since I pulled the 99 Woodson last week. John Brown, Schefter Star, that's going for nothing. Absolute trash now. He's a good budget card though. His card's going for like 2K a piece. And you get an 88 overall if you do 2 different styles. 84 Darian Stewart, not a bad pull right there. My other 2 videos are uploading as we speak. They'll probably be up within the next hour and a half. Okay, we get a 77 William Moore there. Now, this is what's great about me selling players and opening more packs. Because there's going to be tons and tons of badge packs, which means large quick sells, which means hopefully even more coins. 84 Robert Ayers right here. Our gold pulls are not that horrible either. And we get a 73 John Hughes. He does not go in the set, but we will hold on to him because majority of the 73s and 74s that don't go in the set will be rare. Probably in like a month or 2, because they come out with like they're gonna come out with the gold player sets again. I'm pretty sure something kind of like that. There's a 72 right there and a 75. So we're about 50k in. No elites in sight yet. If we could just get a legend. Alright, Super Bowl 50 collectible and an 84 Jared Velda here. Another gold? No. We should have enough for our binder. It should be exactly 380 items since we're supposed to open 38 packs. So yeah, another top gold card. 100 coin Super Bowl quick sell. That's about it. We'll probably at least get 4 large quick sells out of these. Another John Brown. And all the Schefter stars are back in the game, by the way. I don't know when they put him back in the game, but it was just recently. Alright, we're closing in about, this is like 85k in right here. No elites yet. 150 quick sell. You get a 80 Raymel Luka. Another top gold card. Another Super Bowl quick sell. If we get like no elites, I'll be really upset. I want at least 2 to 3 elites out of here. Another top gold card. Okay, free pro pack, so that would make it 39. That would have been like an ultimate pack or something crazy like that. Alright, we're gonna open that at the end. I really want to get that Eric Berry, but we're probably not going to pull it. This thing's only in packs for 24 hours. I mean, I have had pretty good luck this year with pulling packs and getting decent cards. I pulled Clinton Portis, Larry Allen, the 99 Woodson. Yeah, so also a 97 24-hour DeMarcus Ware packs. I would not mind getting it all. Alright, we're down to 150k left. We're already 130k in. Percy Harvin, 83. And even after selling all those guys, we still have an 89 overall team. Which is not bad. It only went down 2 overalls. Calvin Pryor. Are my contracts even going up? Huh. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, another free pro pack. Let's go. So that's 2 free pro packs in the stash. Really wish that could be another pack, like a Ultimate, a Legend, a Game Changer, an X Factor. Even an All-Pro pack or All-Madden pack would be fine. Alright, Alright. Another top gold card, Devontae Parker. Wow, where are the elite players at? Joe Flacco, 83. I've opened over 4,000 packs this year, which is a lot, but, you know, just, not all pro packs are from, like, the Journey. Another John Brown. Jeez, that's 3 of them. We're getting down to the 100k mark here. No elite player pulls yet, okay? Daniel Fell, 72. Okay, oh, a Super Bowl patch. Okay, I want to check that right now because those can be going for a lot and also not because those, I don't think the ones that are in packs are from the solos. So we'll check that out right now. And it is going for, okay, yeah, this is a little bit of both. It's only over 950 coins. So not what I thought. Come on, give me a legend. Give me a rare elite pull. Barry Cofield. Colts offense. Down to 98k. Overall, what we got here? Super Bowl 50 collectible and an Aaron Lynch 76 overall. Come on, give me something good. If I don't get anything good, I'll be upset. Alright, Darren Fells, 81. Nothing else there. I'm getting scared. This is not looking good at all. We're down to 83k. We've probably started over 400k today. Jeez, Reggie Bush. Come on, give me an elite card. I should have just pulled the Game Changer pack. Hey, there's an elite. 85 Thomas Davis. Alright, so there's one elite. And we're 220k in. So those are really going to be the crappy odds. 220k in, you get one elite card. Paul Nestle. We do have the 2 bonus packs at the end. Oh, 89 Ted Ginn. Okay, that's not bad. That's a team of the week elite. Oh, this guy's nasty speed, a 96 speed. Okay, that's probably going for 10k. Nothing too spectacular. Okay, now this second half of the pack opening is getting hotter. 84 Orlando Franklin. Andrew Norwell. Only 38k left. 2 elite cards. So I got what I wanted, the 2 elite cards. Oh, another one. Philly Brown, Football Outsider. Alright, so there's 3 elites at a 250k. $78 Shane Vereen and a 150 quick sell. $82 Jermaine Gresham. Alright, last 2. Actually, no, last 4. Keep on forgetting about the other 2 that we got. Well, elite Julius Thomas. So that's 4 elites. Worst thing is these are base. 2 of them are base, and 2 of them are very common. Of course, out of all the Football Outsiders elites we got the one of the worst elites that are probably going for like 5k right now. Last 2. Last one. We get Jaquan Jarrett. I don't know if I should sell anyone else. Newest. So we got 4 elites out of that pack opening. 4 elite players. Ted Ginn. That's Ted going for 12k. Philly Brown. Yeah, Philly Brown's going for 9k. Now do I sell Trevate and do another back up to 60, I put enough for 57. He'll sell. We'll have another 7 packs. I really wish you could just save all these packs, like in Madden Mobile, where you just open it and then save it for later just to be in your packs so we could get this thing done faster. Alright. Okay, Trevathan up. Leon Hall. Leon Hall's up to... He's not really up, he's going for 65. That's my 80 on him. Alright. Off of 12.25. And then I'll save these 2 for an elite exchange pack opening. Alright guys, this is going to end it for this part. And when those guys do sell, I will bring another pack opening. But the first one you'll probably see is the badge packs and the large quick sells. So, I'm out for now. Peace.